Here's a retro-inspired spin on one of her favorite couture. Embraces the timeless allure of a vintage aesthetic, capturing the essence of a bygone era with style and sophistication.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in Sassytoys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Vintage Ensemble Veronique Perrin. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This doll is from Fashion Royalty Moments Collection, a vintage inspired of the Little Day Ensemble last 2020, designed by Jessie Ayala. This is a perfect ensemble that combines timeless elegance with a fresh, updated twist. This doll comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 831 out of 1200. This side of the box, you will find the base of the doll stand, and this side you will find the saddle stand. Now, let's take her out of the box. And now she's here. I love the screening of this doll. And her outfit is a perfect blend of classic style of sophistication and chic contemporary design that is sure to make heads turn. And now, let's remove the hairnet. Wow, I am obsessed. Here's the closer look of Veronique Perrin without her accessories. This doll has the body type of FR 6.0 with skin tone of blush, with a hair color of soft ebony, and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
But I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run, run. Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it fall. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away.
the modeling video of Vintage Ensemble Veronique Perrin.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. Take a real close look now. Baby, I'm versatile. Watch me when I come down. I make it worth the while. Take a real close look now. I'm gonna show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
Ooh, I know, you know, we kick it like no one else.
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.